This is my honest review of Peruzzo bike rack. Please watch the whole video to find out is it worth it. I will show you all good things and bad things about this bike rack for 3 bikes. Welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Here we have Peruzzo bike rack for 3 bikes. It is made of steel with some nylon straps and rubber bands for fastening bikes. Here you can adjust these nylon straps. Here is the cog to adjust angle of the rack. Here are the rubber straps for fastening bikes. This is another rubber strap. You can see how secure you can tie to your bike. Let's take this off and let's untie this nylon strap for securing front wheels. You can remove them and then remove this other strap from this bike, one side and the other side. Now when we take these bikes off, you can see how it looks without bikes. It is very sturdy, made of metal. You can adjust angle with these cogs. See how it fits on this KGM Taurus. This is universal bike rack. It fits of almost any kind of this SUV or hatchback. It is very easy to adjust these nylon straps with these metal carabiners. It's a pretty easy process. You can also remove these hooks when your trunk is closed or when it's open. You can here adjust the other side with these carabiners. Now let's just remove all these hooks. Peruzzo bike rack is sturdy, very easy to use. It is very cheap. Go for it and buy it. The only downside is first time when you put it to your car until you learn the process. But after 2 times you learn everything and it is very easy to put it on. You need only about 3 minutes and also to put it off. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.